Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the MotoGP 25 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MotoGP 25 game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can start enjoying the various different match modes right away. Now, if you wish to customize your control settings, you can either click on the gear icon at the top right corner or press the Y button on your joystick. This will take you into the settings page. Now you can use the left or right bumpers to navigate into the controls menu. Then from the controls page, you can choose between your keyboard, your controller or joystick, or you can also choose your gyroscope options. After choosing your desired controller type, you can see the various different action buttons that have been assigned to various different tasks within the game. If you wish to change any of these buttons, just navigate to the button that you wish to reassign and then select it right away. After you have selected, you will be able to press your desired new key that you want to set for this task. Just press the button and it will be reassigned right away. In order to remove a button that has been assigned, you will need to press the X button when it is highlighted. If you have made some undesirable changes, then you can also press the Y button to reset all of the configuration to the default. After making your changes, you can just go back and it will all be saved. You can also redefine the keys for any of your desired control method, and then you may continue to play your game with your customized controls right away. Just follow the same steps if you need to reassign your keys in the future once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the MotoGP 25 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.